Hello everyone, so I have these total assets here, USDT, which is 22 out here. So I've been able to make a profit of 12 USDT in addition to this account here. So I'll go ahead and show you everything you have to know about this platform, which has been officially launched, of which you can also start making a lot of money with this cool platform. So first thing you need to do is to register an account and start with how to make money on this same platform. Now check under the description of this particular video. There is a link there. Tap on the link and it's going to take you to this session right now here. First thing you need to do is to input in your email address here. Go ahead and enter a login password for yourself. Of course, you're going to use this password to log into your account anytime you want to access it. Now enter a security password here. Of course, you're going to use this security password to withdraw your USDT anytime you want to request for withdrawal, and the invitation code will be given to you for free here once you are using the link under the description of this particular video. Go ahead and click on register and automatically you're going to get registered on the platform. But if you prefer using your mobile number, just click on the mobile number aspect here and just input in your mobile number here. Or if you prefer using a username, just click on the username here and input in your username and follow the same procedure as I've already said. So once you're done, just click on register and you're good to go. So let me try to log into my account and show you guys how this platform actually works. All right, so once you log into the platform, this is the main overview of the platform. It is a USDT investing platform, so just invest any amount of USDT you can afford and makes profit each and every single day. So without wasting much time, let me take you through the investment aspects of how you can start with the deposit and the investment plan for yourself. So it starts with VIP 1 up to the last VIP, which is the VIP 10. So let me take you through how the VIPs works. So with the VIP 1, you have to make a minimum deposit of 12 USDT to 50 251 USDT. So within that range, you can make any deposit or make an investment within that range. And each and every single day, you're going to receive 20%, 25% profits each and every single day for 30 days. So mind you that the minimum deposit is 12 USDT. That's for the VIP one. With the VIP two, you have to make an investment of 52 USDT to 151 USDT before you can start with the VIP 2. And each and every single day, you're going to receive 26% profit out from this platform. With the VIP 3, you are going to make an investment of 152 USDT, and each and every single day, you are going to receive 27% profit. Okay, so that's for the VIP 3, which is within 152 USDT to 451 USDT. With the VIP 4, you are going to make an investment of 452 USDT, 2251 USDT, and each and every single day you are going to make 28 profits daily. So just tap on any of these you can afford. So in case I want to go in for VIP 1, I'll just tap on VIP 1. I'll just tap on VIP 1 here and it's going to take me to this session here. All right, so just click on, I'm already on VIP 1. All right, so I'm already on VIP 1. So in case you are interested to make an investment in any of these one, just click on check or click to unlock. Right, once you click on it, it's going to tell you to confirm, then you click on confirm here. But currently I have no amount of, I don't have such an amount of money in my account, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can make the deposit into your account. So come to this aspect here, the home aspect, click on recharge. Right, so once you click on recharge, come to this aspect here, which gives you different options for you to recharge your amount. So you have the TRC 20 USDT, the TRX, the BIP 20 USDT, you have the BNB and the BIP 20 USDC. So click on any of these ones here and make a successful deposit into your account. So what you have to do is to just choose any of these methods here and copy the address allocated to the method and send it to your external wallet and make a successful deposit. your amount is going to reflect within few minutes for you to start with the investment you can afford to make. But in case you deposit and you haven't received your money for a longer period, please try to refresh the page, or you can contact the customer service. So I'll also show you how you can contact the customer service too as well. But note that whenever you make a withdrawal, or whenever you make an investment rather, and you wanna receive your daily profit, come to this aspect to say quantify and click on the quantify button here, this button, AI button, click on it. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to tell you start quantify. All right, so it says this is a task in progress, so which means I have successfully received 3 USDT into my account. So once I get to mine here, you can see it has increased to 25. At first it was 24, 22. All right, which means I've been able to get a profit of 3 USDT into my account. So I also show you how to withdraw this money into my external wallet. So what you need to do here is to just come to this aspect which says team. All right, come to this aspect which says team. This actually going to know or going to show you the type of investment that you are currently on. So you can see currently I am on the level 1. All right, I am on the level 1, so I'm actually making good use of the VIP one out here. So in case you also want to make more money, you can invite more of your friends by tapping on invitation link or invite friends here. Go ahead and copy this particular link, share it with your friends, and once any of your friends join this platform using your link, with the level 1 you are going to receive 12% commission, with the level 2 you're going to receive 3% commission, and with the level 3 you're going to receive 1% commission out from it. So just share this link with your friend and start making a lot of money with this cool platform. Now in case you have any problem and you want to contact the customer service, just click on the help button here. Once you click on the help button, it's going to take you to this session. Click on the once you need any help, just click on this icon here. All right, so it's going to tell you to either chat with the customer service provider, or you can join their Telegram channel for more information or for more updates about this platform. So do that in case you need any problem. So with the withdrawal aspect, which is the most important part a lot of people want to know. So all right, so with the withdrawal aspect, so all you need to do is just click on the withdraw button here. Click on it and select any of the payment method you can use, either BIP20, TRC. So in this method I want to use the BIP20. So mind you that the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. So what I need to do here is just input in 3 USDT because I want to withdraw 3 USDT, and input in your withdrawal address. So I would like to input my withdrawal address and my security password, of course, I created whilst creating or making the registration process. All right, so I like to input it in here and click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it's going to tell me withdraw success. All right, so withdraw success here, and the money has been deducted, which means I am yet to receive my USDT into my external wallet. So this is how the platform actually works. So just go ahead and start with any of the investment plans. So I use Binance. You can see I have a notification up here, meaning I'm currently receiving some USDT into my Binance account. So just go ahead and invest in any of these VIP products you can afford and start cashing out every single day. But make sure to quantify your profit each and every day and withdraw them whenever you need to. So thank you very much for watching. Just subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friend, and I hope to see you in my next video.